First, LG sees usability as the next key piece, combining smart technology with a stylish design. Our touch technology allows users to interact more naturally with their phones. So a brief video will highlight LG's recent achievements in this area. Was an essential part of this. Touchscreen allows for flexibility and intuitiveness. However, touchscreens still have a limit to making phones more usable. In order to overcome these limits, we decided to go beyond touch. This is how we arrived at what we call smartly touchable and more usable by redefining how consumers interact with their devices in order to make them more convenient, intuitive, and usable. That's the exact idea behind the three handsets we will talk about today: the LG KF510 and KF600 and KF700. Through touchscreen, LG has a great interest in utilizing consumer insights and converting them into the actual consumer benefit rather than touchscreen technology itself. First, let me start introducing LG KF600 first. In designing this phone, we wanted to make it as intuitive and easy to use as possible. To do this, we had to rethink traditional handsets interfaces to create a phone that could actually anticipate your next move. This was made possible through tremendous consumer use study and revolutionary new Interact Pad so-called technology. A fun, optimized interface that thinks like you do. It replaces key functions of physical buttons with virtual key that change to fit the task at hand, feeding forward logical menu choices to users, and saving numerous keystrokes in the process. Behind me, you can see one example of using the Interact Pad to simplify a process, setting the alarm on your phone. With the LG KF600, we have created an optimized interface for each of the phone's functions. The MP3 player actually looks like and feels like and acts like an MP3 player, while also incorporating advanced features like the ability to fast forward or rewind by dragging a finger across the Interact Pad. Just experiencing how it operates. When we switching to the camera, the music kept playing, which is multitasking, one of the key LG KF600's core features as well. For the camera, we designed an interface that is easier to use than those on most disk cams in the market. Settings are controlled by precisely labeled virtual keys on the Interact Pad. To give the LG KF600 more character, we also designed 8 dynamic graphic themes that span across both the main display and Interact Pad, which means the lower part of the LCD screen not only acts as a virtual navigation key, but also a display screen. A number of these is having very fun, and creative themes incorporate design elements from renowned artist Keith Haring for visual amusement for consumers. Once you see the LG KF600 in action, I think you will agree it is so intuitive that seems to read your mind. Again, the LG KF600 shows one way that LG is moving forward in utilizing our leading touchscreen technology to create new and innovative benefits that consumers can actually feel and enjoy.
question whether you were
Yes. Yes. Come. Why not?
Mira. La cosa que vemos de característica es lo de las dos pantallas. Esto se queda como una entera cuando tú quieres, pero para opciones pues aquí al menú. Y entonces ya tienes todas las opciones. Esta es la cámara, tiene una calidad muy buena. Cada vez que quieras mirar algo puedes ok. Si quieres volver atrás, aprietas ok. Es muy sencillo. La cámara y aquí ya tienes las opciones.
Ya tienes las opciones
De la cámara, pero ya lo pones siempre a un vertical.
¿Y qué capacidad tiene de resolución? 3 megapíxeles.
3, vale, otra vez ya no es porque